We're on the Upper West Side. We're gonna get a classic New York hot dog and papaya drink, go check out some vinyl records and an old bookstore, and then go to an iconic shop. Side is to take the 1, 2, or 3 train and get off at the 72nd Street stop. Gray's Papaya was founded in 1973 by Nicholas Gray, and it's located right on the corner of 72nd Street and Amsterdam Avenue, and they're known for their classic New York hot dogs. We're going to go inside and get one. All the special little signs Gray's Papaya has about their hot dogs and papaya drinks.
Yeah, some of them are really funny.
Yeah, hi. I want to get a hot dog with mustard and drink special. So we got the classic New York hot dog from Gray's Papaya, and as you can see, it has a natural casing, and we're gonna try it. And of course, we got the papaya drink, which Jimmy is having now. So let's give it a try. Really delicious. Of course, we saved some hot dog for you, Hudson. Give me paw. All right, good boy. One more, give me paw again. You got it. How was that? Westsider Rare and Used Books, located right here on Broadway by West 80th Street, has been in this location since 1984. It was founded by Dorian Thornley, and earlier this year in February they were in danger of closing because of poor sales in 2018, but thankfully they were saved by a GoFundMe campaign that raised enough money in a week to save the store. And now it's going to be open for as long as humanly possible. Westsider specializes in fiction and literature, modern first editions, art, illustrated architecture and graphic design books, and also has a collection of children's books and antiques and collectibles.
I put it on our Instagram because I thought it was like the coolest book.
One of the things we love about this bookstore is it not only is packed with books, but also has a reading room upstairs where they hold author and poetry nights. Jimmy, couldn't you just sit down in that chair in the corner and just curl up and read a book for hours?
Oh, definitely. You find me here hours later.
Jimmy, look at these leather bookmarks.
Oh, very cool.
Don't you just love that ladder? So as you can see, this bookstore is packed from floor to ceiling with books, and thank God for these rolling ladders because there's no way that you could get to those books up there without them.
Do you need a bag for that?
I can probably roll it up and save a bag.
There you are. They're
What do you think,
super
Hudson?
healthy.
Thank you. So this is Westsider Records, and it's on 72nd Street between Broadway and West End Avenue, and it's the annex store to their bookstore that we just came from. And this is where they sell all their records, because they only had a few records at the bookstore. We're going to go inside and check it out. Just like Westsider Books, the record store is packed from floor to ceiling with LPs in all genres, and also has ladders in order to reach the upper racks of records. Zabars is a New York institution. It's located right on Broadway by 80th Street. It actually now runs almost the entire block. When it first started out in 1934, founded by Louis and Lillian Zabar, it was a very small store, and they expanded and expanded over the years. They're known for their extensive selection of really high quality items like fresh roasted coffee and smoked fish, and their big cheese department, and fresh baked breads and bakery items. Everything they sell is really delicious. We're gonna go inside and go check out all their specialties. We're going to take a tour around this gourmet emporium and look at their various specialty counters and their self-serve items they sell. Zabars sells a wide variety of prepared foods, including meats, fish, poultry, salads, soups, and vegetable side dishes. They have a huge appetizing counter, and that's actually how Zabars began, over 85 years ago, by selling smoked fish Louis Zabar personally selected from smokehouses. Gotta take a number. We love Zabar's huge variety of home-baked bread and bagels that are served hot from the oven every hour.
I like the sound of the Pullman loaf. Should we get one of those?
Yeah, it's an interesting name from the era of the Pullman train car, where they used to serve that loaf because it was easy to stack in the tight space of a dining car.
Oh wow, they even have homemade knishes and strudel.
Oh, we're definitely getting that apple strudel.
Nice.
The aroma of their freshly roasted coffee is amazing. We've got to get some of that special blend to take home. We had such a great day in the Upper West Side. We got a hot dog and a papaya drink, checked out a bookstore and some vinyl records, and ended the day with a trip to Zabars and got some snacks for the way home, including freshly roasted coffee. We decided to cut through Central Park on our walk home and sat down on a bench and enjoyed some of the things we bought from Zabars. And Hudson took part, of course. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed our tour of the Upper West Side. Please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and share the video if you liked it. We'll be posting new videos weekly.
Bye guys!
Bye guys!